very good morning to all my lovely teachers. I would like to extend my deep sense of appreciation for all of you for aiding us to keep learning even during this inevitable coronavirus pandemic. It is commendable to know that despite of knowing the risk to your health, still for a betterment you all are coming to school to make us learn and not waste our precious time. You all are true mentors. Gradually with time, these tough times too shall pass. What will stay is a determination to uphold expectations for our teachers as you all have sacrificed your comfort to make our future shine bright. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. With lots of respect, wish to give you all a warm hug. Take care. Looking forward to meet all my teachers soon.
A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Aditi. Today I'd like to thank all the physics teachers, especially Nidhi ma'am and Vivek sir, for always leading a helping hand and clearing all our doubts. I thank them for always teaching us in a pleasant way and never scolding us. They explain us everything so easily that even the most difficult thing seems really easy. Thank you for all your support and help. Thank you.
I thank all the geography teachers, especially Shakuntala ma'am, for being such amazing teachers. I feel fortunate being the part of this school. You all have helped us in all our hard times. And during this coronavirus pandemic, you all are coming to school just to teach us and make our future better. You all, as teachers, have given me all the tools I needed for a better future. Also, you all are trying your best to make our class interesting and make us learn in an easy way. Thank you to all the teachers.
Good afternoon, teachers. So this is for Megha ma'am and Swagatam ma'am, who teaches computers. So teachers, you are great. The PPTs are like I have to just learn the PPT, then I don't have to go to the book. I have to just go for the back exercises and all. Talking about the weekly assignment are it just give me a recap what I have done and not done. And thank you that I have great teachers like you. And I'm really blessed that I have like you teachers. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all the teachers. This is Vadhi Kejriwal, and I would like to thank all the English teachers, especially Renu ma'am, to do so much hard work for us, taking out their precious time for making PPTs and searching for videos, making us play quiz, and doing so much for us, so to entertain us. Thank you so much for all your love and care.
Good morning, one and all. Today I am going to tell you about how much I thank to my maths teachers. Thank you so much, maths teachers. You've made us learn every single thing in maths till 7th grade. And it's really hard, to teach in quarantine. But still they've never failed once in teaching in the COVID-19 quarantine. And we understand everything clearly perfect just because of you. Once again, so many thanks to you. Please continue like this. We'll be the best students for you.
Good evening everyone, and today I have made this video to thank all the teachers of the school, but I would like to especially thank Smita ma'am. Like earlier in my old school, I used to think history is such a boring subject. I used to hate it literally. I never used to like it. I never used to want to do anything in it. But since it was compulsory, I had to do something. But when I came to this school, ma'am made it she made it so interesting. So she made PPTs for us, she showed videos to us, and it was so creative. And so much of her time has been wasted, or not wasted is not a correct word, but how much of her time has been gone making us feel happy, making us feel better, seeing those videos. So I would like to thank her. Thank you.
Greetings everybody, this is Aini. I would like to thank all of the biology teachers for teaching us in such a great and joyful way. I really appreciate the efforts made by Risu ma'am and all the other teachers for even teaching us in this difficult time. You have my utmost respect and gratitude. All of this could not have been possible without you. A big thank you to all the teachers.
Hello everyone. Today I want to thank all our sports teachers for devoting their times for us, for keeping us fit and healthy and maintaining our health. They even conduct virtual classes in this pandemic situation, and they bring fun activities which are really enjoyable, and we enjoy them a lot. So I want to thank all our sports teachers to make these efforts for us all. Thank you.